Hi everyone, this is Tina at Vishwat and thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your own paper quilling strips from using just the regular paper, a standard piece of paper. It can be any width, any thickness you like, or you can actually use already printed paper which you can actually download from our website. And one of the ways that I find easier to use and make my paper strips is using a gridded ruler which has measurements on there, and you can just place it on the paper and cut it accordingly. Alternatively, by using a stainless steel ruler with a grip at the back, you can go ahead and place it on your gridded mat and cut using either a Stanley knife, a scalpel, or a rotary cutter. I actually prefer to use a rotary cutter because it gives me precision cutting. So let's begin by using this method of using your mat and aligning it to the grids of your mat using a metal ruler. Here you have a rotary knife or a rotary cutter, and you just place your ruler with the grip underneath and slide it down. Here we go, that's one centimeter strip done, and so forth. Once you're done, you'll have a perfectly cut strip which you can use for paper quilling. The other method that I mentioned was using an omni-grid. I love using this, and actually the best way of using this omni-grid I find is actually using it from the opposite direction. So if I align this side together with my paper, I cut one side off, take the excess, put it to one side, and I'll just go and follow the lines on my omni-grid and happily cut my strip away. There we go. I love using an omni-grid. And there we have it. Your paper strips ready to use for your paper quilling creations. The other option that I mentioned is I already have layouts on my website that you can go ahead and print onto any colored pieces of paper, or even white paper for that matter. Go ahead and download that file and print it off, and you can just follow the lines already on there and cut your strips off. There we go, easy peasy. So if you want to join in on any of my quilling tutorials and you don't have paper strips, and you don't know what to do, head over to my website, click on the resources tab, and you'll find this link directly underneath that says paper quilling strips layout. Print it off on your chosen colored pieces of paper, and off you go. You're ready to start creating your quilt creations. And there we have lots and lots of cut strips. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope you're able to start creating your paper quilt creations. Have a good day.